Day number 2. Time to get some breakfast. Okay, we're trying to figure out what we want.
Yeah, boy.
Look at Michaela's. Look at my little babies on there. Look at Sandy.
Where's the syrup?
My boy Bobby.
I think this is syrup.
Oh yeah. Let's do it.
And now, your mama knows.
Call little dude.
He's so cute.
Wanna take him home for Josie? Oh yeah. Day number 2. We are about to get a beach day, people. 1, 2, 3, Chuck E. Cheese. So after swimming around in the water, having some fun, I think I got stung by a jellyfish, or something stung me. My leg itches and is burning. So I'm just gonna relax right now. So that's what you do on the beach. Wait, hold on. Getting something. Neck pillow. Alright, check it out. Coming to the pool after being stung by, I think, a jellyfish, but my leg feels a lot better. So everybody's already here. So let's do it. See that guy? It's just relaxing. Doing what you're supposed to do on vacation. Laying out. It's a relaxing day. See me and Bobby sitting in this hot tub. Oh yeah. What is this girl doing? What? What, you on Baywatch now? Bobby. Bobby, you on Baywatch?
Oh yeah. I don't have enough sleep, so.
Going to the big pool. If you hear that noise, shh. Yep, that's our feet. Michaela and Sandy. Look who's relaxing.
What do you do? Did he just jump in?
Sandy's about to go underwater. So let's get it all on video. Wow, and your legs. It looks pretty cool. Next Halloween outfit.
Look at the lines.
Look crazy?
Not like mine, because you're darker than me.
What time is it, ladies? Anybody know? 6:01. It's 6:01. And this is what the Glitter Sisters are doing. Look, your face is burnt.
My face is burnt.
Yours too.
No, it's not. My face is not even burnt.
Yeah.
Where's my brush,
I
right?
think it is. Oh yeah, I guess you get to relax on your vacation. All right. Take a little walk. Nice weather. It's awesome. This is pretty cool. All right, guys, time to get some dinner. So Sierra's about to eat a crawfish. Oh, you're not? Why not?
She already tried it.
Oh, cause.
Rest in peace, buddy.
Oh man. All right. Well, let's see what you got. See what you got.
Yeah. Died for nothing.
See what you got. Yeah, buddy. My man Bobby. All right. Oh, look at his claw. All right, it's time for me to get my little eat on. Let's do it. This is how I'm doing it. And these guys are all in their second rounds. Check it out. Yeah, buddy, I put some pudding on there with cookies and cream. And then Sierra got
Rainbow.
yeah, buddy. Late night at the pool. You ladies enjoying yourself?
Yeah, stop! She's suffocating in air.
What? You
Go!
Oh, it's 10:15, and this is what I'm doing. Oh yeah, vacation in Myrtle Beach. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And now, your mama knows.